First, use a wrench to loosen the 4 bolts on the air-cooled machine. Open the upper mold. Place the belt that requires a connector. Align the teeth and then apply Teflon. Close the upper die. Install the screws. Start connecting wires. Upper mold aligns with upper mold. The lower die aligns with the lower die. Plug in the power. Start after setting parameters. Wait for the machine to finish the work. After completion, unscrew the bolts and open the upper mold. Check the belt effect.